Hello there, hello, how are you? So today I'm sharing this healthy creamy chicken soup recipe. You guys, this is boiled chicken, strictly boiled chicken, and I just used normal common vegetables and fresh herbs that you can also get. So I used carrots, green peppers, French beans, spring onions, rosemary, coriander leaves, tomatoes, and onions, potatoes, name it all. Fresh, common vegetables that you can just get just a few meters from your home. Did I even remember to greet you? Don't even think so. Anyway, how are you guys? Hope you're fine. Hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. I want to welcome all the new subscribers to this family. Yeah, so I'm just excited to share this with you guys. There are some people out there who don't like fried chicken, who don't like fried vegetables, and you would like to have boiled chicken. Very healthy, tasty boiled chicken. So this is the recipe I'm sharing with you guys today. It is very simple, and the soup very nice, very healthy. If you're having like a cold or cough, you can just take this soup and trust me, you'll feel better. And the taste, it's to die for. Very flavorful sauce. So my chicken is very clean. I finished washing it. I'm not showing that. And I'm working on the vegetables. I'm prepping them. As you can see, I'm just cutting the potatoes. I finished cutting the tomatoes, the carrots, the green peppers. But remember to first wash them before cutting them. And for the tomatoes, I had to peel them because I don't really like tomato skin in the soup. There's a way that it floats on your soup and it doesn't really look nice. So what we are going to do, we are going to place our chicken in this pan. Just place it carefully. No oil, no water. First place the chicken into the pan, and then we are going to add the vegetables one at a go. Just keep around and follow these simple steps if you want to have the same taste that I did have, to have that healthy soup. If you're the kind of person that doesn't want to eat chicken skin, it's very okay to remove the skin, though you won't have as much fat as I did. And I also shared another link down below in the description box of a video that I made of a healthy boiled chicken recipe. But that video I used skinless chicken. Yeah, but this one we have the skin on. So I'm just going to let the green peppers and the onions cook for a few seconds, and now I'm adding the rosemary. By the way, I grow my own rosemary, so if you want to know how I grow it or its benefits, just check down below in the description box. There's a link to the video of my own rosemary that I grow in my garden at home. And also not to forget, this herb adds a lot of flavor to soups. So in case you're going to prepare this soup, you have to put the rosemary because it really adds a lot of flavor. I know some of you might be out there scratching your heads. You're like, oh my god, I can't eat boiled chicken. But you guys, trust me, this boiled chicken stew or soup, it tastes very nice. It's very delicious. It's actually better than some of the chicken recipes that are fried. Yeah, fried chicken recipes. Yeah. So anyway, I've just added my tomatoes and I'm going to just let them cook with the chicken for about 2 minutes. I think the best trick or tip about any boiled meat or any boiled soup is the flavoring. As long as you go right with the flavorings and the spices, trust me, your soup will come out nice. Yeah, so I'm just adding some water to the pan. I'm going to add very little water, which can help to make the tomatoes a little bit soggy. Then I'll add the rest of the water. I've just added salt. Salt add depending on the quantity that you're cooking, and chicken curry powder. That is all that I'm adding today. Just salt, chicken curry powder, nothing more. Just stir everything together and let it boil shortly. Yeah, I'm just going to cover and let it boil. So now this is how the chicken looks like. Of course, it is not yet cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add in more water, which will help to cook the chicken. So for the chicken type, I actually used a local chicken because they tend to have better soup. In case you want to like cook boiled chicken soup, just cook a local chicken. They always taste far better than these other breeds. Yeah, so I've just added my potatoes because the chicken is almost cooked. Add your potatoes later on because they cook very fast and you wouldn't want them to be soggy. The potatoes, the carrots, and the green beans, I added them later on because I don't want them to become very soggy. It would look funny, yeah, on the plate, of course. So I've just added the potatoes, carrots, spring onions. Those are green beans, the ones that I've just added, and I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves. These leaves add a lot of flavor to the soup. Yeah, that is why I've added them at this time when it's almost cooking. So I'm going to cook it for only like 10 minutes and then reduce the heat and boil it for 5 minutes. So this is our chicken boiling. Yeah, I know my plate is going to look very nice with all these colors popping out, with all the greens that you see in the soup. It's going to look very nice, and of course it's going to be very tasty. So at this point the chicken is really cooked. As you can see, it looks very soft. Of course not dropping, but at least it is soft. Yes, so you guys, in case you want to try out this recipe, please do. It is very nice. The soup was so delicious, very nice, very tasty. As you can see, my plate looks very nice. A one-pot meal with tasty chicken, potatoes, and of course very nice soup. Hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for joining me today.